2019 Toyota Rav4, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. Without touching the brake, you're going to want to push the ignition button twice, and that'll turn everything on up here. We're going to be using these buttons over here. So for right now, just hit this button and bring you up to this menu, and then you're going to click the right button, the over button to the right, until you get to that little settings screen. Once you get to that, you're going to push the down arrow, and you're going to go to vehicle settings, and then you're going to push and hold OK for a second, and that'll bring up this screen. You'll go down to scheduled maintenance, push OK, and it's going to ask you if you want to reset the data. Push the up arrow to yes, hit OK, and your reset is all finished, and your oil change is reset, oil life. Hope that helps.